about 55 paisa. Okay, when you're charging 3,400 rupees, it didn't take that much. Okay, even to put in a website, this is what news is. This is an electronic age, sir.
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Because
I'm apologies for the thing what happened, and I presume notice board normally most of the society they do it, but in my society
we are in the
and
21st century, sir.
Yeah, but so the thing is, anyway, now we have come down here whether I will be able to do it at 155 paisa or not. Yeah.
See, so the question here,
Yeah, he's
putting it on the notice board and all. I think everybody, 530 people, you put out a form and send it to everybody, ask them for their email IDs. Everybody would have an email ID, post it to them, or send it electronically, whatever. Email it.
How many acceptances
things,
do you
sir.
have? How many acceptances do you have from the owners? 530 owners are there. How many have agreed for 1.95? Do you have any document that says that?
if there had been agreement, we would not have it.
So it's a unilateral. You have to agree to that.
So simple.
I just want to raise one dispute is, just give your ears for a second. There were two instances when I gave in letters asking, I'm not defaulting on the maintenance, I want to pay.
Yeah.
It was a unilateral decision from the service provider to hike it up, and the service provider, irrespective of us providing two letters of saying that you bill us at the old rate, we are ready to pay. The service provider is reluctant to listen to the owners as well as the tenants and keep on sending one-way communications on the notice board, threatening us, saying that the services will be cut because we are not paying. We are not refusing to pay. We are ready to pay, give us the bill according to the old rates.
Right.
Two or three times or four times I
Yes.
visited
I
the
agree.
estate manager.
I agree.
The estate manager says, I have no idea, whatever is told
Excuse
me.
Excuse me, there is no estate manager, service provider.
Service provider, don't use
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Sir.
That's what I agree with you. I understood your
Because
point. I 100% agree.
I get offended when somebody says that.
Provide according to the
Okay,
old
estate
rate.
manager.
Let me moderate for 5 minutes,
I
please.
still not saying, you still could have collected the old
Please,
rate
please.
and you could have showed it as earlier,
Okay.
instead of disrupting the services.
Please, your turn.
You still could have collected the old money, showed it as an arrear. You people have not done that.
Okay.
So I think last question, after that I think we know, like, we are not satisfied and we need to do a transition.
I don't want to comment on anything. All right. So when
No,
they go
that's no
through,
answer.
that's when they go through accounts and everything, you understand yourself. I don't want to comment.
Just a minute, please. Let me moderate the meeting for a minute.
He won't say
Please,
anything about it. He apologized already for it. He's saying that you come and.
Yeah, let's move forward. Let's move forward.
Please start.
Very good, wonderful outcome that came out of this meeting, where Rauf said he will make the audited records of last 2 years available to the Ispora.
Yes.
They have our correspondence address. We will have that by next Saturday this time. That is one thing.
Let me tell you one thing.
Just a minute,
Just said one minute.
Just a minute, you answer later. Okay, we got the point. We got your
Thank you
point.
very much.
Thank you. Please.
Sir, my question is, a lot of people have written to you asking for accounts, and I have also personally gone to the maintenance office and tried to look at the accounts and requested for Xerox copy, which I was denied. Now you have said you have audited accounts, but you are asking for another 7 days to provide it to Hirispura. Sir, can you please?
Please.
Yes.
Yeah, no, please.
Now the thing is, 1 rupee 95 paisa is justifiable or not? That is the topic. That is
No.
No.
No. Wait for it. Okay, we got your point.
Are you going to compensate the losses incurred by the company?
We want to see where our money is spent.
That is definitely. We are not asking money for the loss by the company.
The question was.
No, let him.
Meenakshi.
When the loss is not declared, if we are making losses, why
Please, one.
It was a contract. It was a contract. Quiet, please. Thank you.
Please.
Let him tell.
Please.
Let him
Everyone has to get permission to speak.
Yeah. Actually, there is no question of me giving account because I have got a contract at 1 rupee 5 paisa. Alright? Then if you want accounts, I'll give you 1 year's account which is ready with me, I can give you tomorrow.
But the thing is,
Yeah, it is in the contract. This is in the contract. Supposing I give a contract to BVG, I don't have any rights to ask their account. So what do you want? I'm really sorry to know that there is no representative of IVR Prime standing here because the apartments were let me complete. Because the apartments were purchased from Mrs. IVR Prime and SAP in a tripartite agreement. So members of the owners and residents never gave the contract to any person we know of. So my question, sir, to you is that why do you say that at 1.05 if you are not able to provide the services and you have agreed for transition, why don't you transition the services over to an association which is also as per the Apartments Law and the Apartments Act in AP and in India?
Yeah. See, I agree. The question in the beginning was not to justify 1.95. The question was not to justify 1.05. The question was that transition was promised. When are you going to do it? Yeah. That was the question, and no answer came for that, even one word till now.
But he's not IVR Prime, so why are we talking?
Yes, IVR Prime.
Right.
IVR Prime.
And also, I have one question. With whose consent, like IVR Prime gave it to Induspalm?
Sir, for this, I would like to ask you one question.
Don't ask the question.
No. When he's questioning, why he cannot do it?
How can I have right to ask questions?
Please go ahead. No, you are. Please go ahead. You can ask questions. No.
Go ahead. I can also interrupt. N number of times.
Mr. Maharaj, please ask your question.
Please ask your question. Please go ahead.
Please go ahead.
See, spare 5 minutes of your time, go through your document, half of your time will be saved. Have you seen that paragraph?
Open.
Yes.
Clause number 4.
No, wait.
We all have seen it.
Why are you talking in air?
Yes, we are keeping quiet. He is not innocent. Please allow us to hear.
We never
Our
say.
time also valuable. When he is able to say, you are putting another question. How can he complete this?
And cash for you.
Sir, you sit down,
Thank you very much.
sir.
One
Have a seat.
let him complete it.
Okay.
Sir, have a seat. Have a seat.
Everybody has got right to express their feelings. Not raising.
Right.
People who are standing, can you sit back, please?
Sir, could you please come? This is the real sale deed. It is not a draft. Please don't laugh.
Fighting here, I don't.
Please don't laugh. Go through your document. Half of your answers are there. Why are we wasting time?
Yeah.
It's yours only.
Go down.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
So page 4 is gone.
Page 4. Go back.
Go to clause 16.
Take it. This part.
Yeah, go ahead, read it.
Yeah.
Possession shall be enjoyed to previous promotion as asset no
So let me read it loud for everybody's benefit.
This is the one, yeah, the maintenance.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
So the maintenance of the Hindrich Spring shall be.
Go up, go up, go up. One more paragraph up. One more paragraph up. One more paragraph up.